Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Foxtail Millet Upma. A very filling, delicious and healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add half cup of foxtail millet. Dry roast for 2 minutes in low flame until you start to get a nice aroma. Foxtail millet boosts cardiac health, strengthens nervous system, manages diabetics, lowers bad cholesterol levels, triggers weight loss, promotes digestion and builds brain health. Now it's been 2 minutes and the foxtail millet is well roasted, so remove from the pan and set it aside. Now to the same pan add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 3 cups of water and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix and allow it to come to a boil. Now the water is starting to boil, so go ahead and add the roasted foxtail millet. Mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce, so close it with the lid and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Open in between and give a nice mix and close again and cook. Now the little millet upma is cooked well, so cook with the lid off until the water completely dries up. Now we have the perfect consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious and healthy foxtail millet upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this foxtail millet recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.